I just watched a YouTube channel that reminded me I should be cleaning my chain. And the first time actually this year, I do clean it normally, fairly regularly. I did notice today when I did it, there were a few little aluminum particles I washed out, which tells me that it was definitely time to clean and lube. I also checked my tire pressures today. They're nice and solid. And if you don't know where to look for your tire pressures, it's right here on the swing arm of the bike. Also wiped her down, did a little waxing, did a little cleaning. Also checked my oil. I hadn't done that for a couple times, couple rides, and all was good on that. Nice and clear and at the proper level. And I'll take a little short Father's Day ride here today. Maybe do a little clip. And for sure, it's a nice hot summer day and it needs to have a little bit of exercise. By the way, I don't know if you remember, but when I installed my Pro Moto Cam, I ended up bringing the DVR up into this area so I could get to the 128 gig chip for downloading my videos, which made it pretty handy. You no longer had to get under the seat to do that. I'm still looking for a better camera mount here on the front. I think it was made for the GoPro, so I'm still looking for that. But it does work. It gives me good video. And I don't know if I said this before, but this spring, I did have my shocks rebuilt. I was having leaking out of the left strut there last year, and they told me not to worry about it unless it was really persistent. Otherwise, she's looking good. I'm going to take her out for a quick spin today. And I'm still playing with my garage, but its new home has been well received by rider and bike. Happy Father's Day.